All right, that sounds lovely. I always love a trip to Tucson. Also like talking about skincare, so we're so excited to have you here for this next segment. So a little rain is good for your health, but you might notice that your skin might be changing and you could be dealing with a number of skin conditions. So here to help us to keep our skin healthy is Dr. Farhan Tazideh from Arizona Facial Plastics. Want to make sure I'm getting that correctly. Thank you so much for being here with us.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Especially on this holiday weekend.
What a beautiful weekend it is.
Yes. So monsoon, it gets humid out there.
Yes,
Not everyone's skin responds well to that. So what are some of the big issues people are coming in with right now?
Well, when the weather gets warm and humid, the skin gets really clammy and oily.
Okay.
And what happens is as the skin tries to cool itself, the sebaceous glands go into overdrive, and then it just gets really clogged and things get really sticky. So a lot of people have problems with pimples, with acne, and other skin conditions when the weather gets humid. So moving to medical grade skincare products, especially this time of the year, is especially important to try to keep your complexion as fresh as possible as the humidity and the heat and the pollution settle in at this time of the season.
So there are, I mean, just endless options out there when it comes to the types of products you should be using.
Yes.
Run us through kind of what you have here and just the types of products folks should be using if they're dealing with some of these issues.
Absolutely. So there are lots of different types of skin cleansers out there, but they tend to strip the skin, which when the skin is really oily, it can really damage the skin. So we love sulfur-based cleansers because they don't strip the skin as much. So this is our sulfur-based cleaning product that really helps to keep the moisture on the skin and not dry it. We also really like products that have niacinamide and mandelic acid, and this is to really reduce the acne, the redness, and it's also a very good protective barrier for pollution. And then obviously you want to use your moisturizers and your sunscreens, and these are our variants that don't dry the skin this time of the year. But essentially staying within this kind of a line of products to not strip the skin, not damage the skin, and be mindful of what's happening with the humidity and the excessive heat will really sort of keep your skin looking as fresh and as, glowy as possible this time of the year.
And these are for products for the evening, correct? Or could they be used in the morning as well?
They could be used in the morning. I mean, a lot of times when you wake up in the morning, you really want to get your skin clean. You want to get the calming product on there. We love retinols as well because they thicken up the skin, but that's something you could do throughout the year to kind of build up the skin for this season. And then the rest of the products, the moisturizers and the sunscreens, they're throughout the day. If you're going to be outdoors, especially now on the 4th, definitely get your sunscreen on, definitely get your moisturizing products on so that everything looks really good when you're out there and protected.
And I know, skin cancer is such a huge issue here in our state, one of the worst states for that, obviously, with all the sun we have. So when you're thinking about sunscreen, what level of SPF do you want? Because you see like SPF 80, and I mean, I've heard at a certain point it kind of sort of stops. So what would be the maximum or minimum you want on your face?
So the SPF system is somewhat inaccurate because essentially it doesn't predict some of the more damaging rays. So we have the UVB, but then we also have the UVA damage, which goes deeper into the skin and causes a lot of the deep damage. So things like titanium oxide, there's products like Mexoryl and other types of sunscreens that have certain other ingredients in them. They tend to be more important than just the artificial SPF. But in my opinion, hats, full clothing, sun protective clothing is always better than just using these products, especially when you're around the swimming pool. You jump in and guess what you have to do when you get out?
Reapply, put it on,
reapply. So it becomes really cumbersome if you're outdoors a lot.
I had a girlfriend on a trip recently and she had a bathing suit that was long sleeved and she said she was protecting her skin, and I thought that's genius. I'm going to have to get one of those too because you just can't be too careful. So okay, doctor, thank you so much. I mean, I could continue to go on because Kylie knows I love talking about skin, such important stuff, and we can't talk especially about the sunscreen issue as well. So doctor, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
Have a great weekend.
Happy 4th of July. Thank you.